What's up, guys? Working with the chain here, installing a new chain on this Honda CRF450RWE. Quick little tip for you. See my previous videos on other tips on doing this and what to check, when you're replacing a chain and sprockets and that sort of thing. Notice, of course, which way the master link clip is facing. Closed in faces forward. We also talked about making sure that the adjuster bolts have lubrication up in here so they don't get seized. Make sure your axle has lubrication. A little bit of grease, lithium grease or waterproof grease is fine. But as far as the recommended slack, it's just under 2 inches, from the end of your chain slider. I use my 3 fingers actually as my quick gauge. Around 3 fingers. Now this bike, it hasn't been ridden yet as far as with the new chain, so it may stretch just a little bit after you do one ride or so. So you want to recheck it, after your install. But 3 fingers right about in there is a good amount. Now, of course, it depends on how thick your fingers are, but you can use a measuring device. Just under 2 inches is good. And also, when you're happy with the adjustment, notice how your marks are right there. Make sure they line up on both sides of the wheel so that the wheel isn't all cocked weird. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment of the bolts here, take your little wrench when you're about to lock down the axle nut on the other side. Just put your wrench in here and spin it backwards. That'll put a lot of tension on the adjusters here, so that'll make sure that the axle is pushed forward nice and firm before you lock down the axle nut over here. Okay, does that make sense? And that'll make sure that the wheel is butted perfectly straight. You definitely don't want your wheel to be all weird one way or the other. You can also take a look at the chain. Make sure she is nice and straight, facing forward. But that's a little tip right there. Put your little wrench, this is a 7/16, or you can use an 8 or a 10 or whatever, and just spin the wheel backwards. Then you lock down your nut. Follow your service manual. It probably is going to be 90 foot-pounds or so. Just follow your service manual, but it needs to be good and tight. And and make sure that you've snugged down the lock nut for the adjusters on both sides. Then spin her forward. And there she is. Silky smooth and pretty. This is a DID 520 DZ2 gold chain. Just use a good quality chain, Renthal, DID. There's all kinds of good quality ones out there. And there you go. Waiting on new tires to come to install. What else we got going on? We're going to do an hour meter. We're going to put the air filter gasket, oil change, a new clutch cover to replace that one. And but we're making progress. She is looking good. This is a 2023 CRF450RWE, meaning Works Edition. Pretty fantastic bike. We're gonna do grips also. That's coming shortly, which that's a pretty easy one to do. Thinking everyone can handle that. But yeah, this is a sweet bike. Really attractive looking bike, if you ask me. Anyway, check out our channel. We got all kinds of stuff. Always adding new things. 1,500 plus videos relating to fixing stuff on your dirt bike, motorcycle, ATV, Harley, Yamaha stuff, Honda stuff, Goldwing, Ruckus, scooters, you name it. There's car stuff on there also. So just check out our channel. You might find some things that may help you in the future. Make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen if any monetized video helps you do something. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.